Hey everybody, this is Tumelo from Remix 1 in Waterfall. What I'm about to show you, it is one of the most beautiful properties I have seen. This property is a 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom, and it's got a flatlet. Listen to me, this property is up for rental, and not only that, it is fully furnished. Every furniture in this house, it is custom made specifically to detail for this house. So let's not waste time. I want you to follow me and I'm gonna take you through and we're gonna enjoy this amazing property right here in Waterfall Country Village.